Hi guys, Sour Doodles here, and today we're going to do how to add featured channels to your YouTube channel. So first, just go to YouTube, click on the icon for your YouTube channel, click on your channel, then here's my videos, and you just click Customize Channel. And then you press Add Channels here, and you need to use your channel username or URL. So we just search up this tab, this. Search up my friend's YouTube channel, click on this, copy this because that's the URL. Press copy. If you press paste, then we'll paste a different thing. If you've done that, press paste here. Press add. Done it, yeah. If you've done it right, you should add here, and then you just press done. And then now, if you go, let's just get rid of that and search up my YouTube channel and this one. Let's say featured channels here should do this, yeah, there. So that's it guys. If you want more tutorial videos, just comment in the subscription below. 10 likes and we do some more. Peace out.